I am Dr. Asha Patel, Assistant Professor in Darbar Upadhyay Shikshan Mahavidyalay, Aliabada. I am going to deliver my presentation on personality. What do you mean by personality? Word meaning. Derived from Latin word persona, which means to speak through. The term was also used for mask the actors used to wear in ancient Rome and Greece. Later on, it was used to describe specialists of a person, something that we use to know the person. The combination of characteristics of qualities that form an individual distinctive character. Dictionary meaning of personality. According to the psychologist, personality is a unit of a person. Characteristics, values, skills, intelligence, ideology, nature, specialities, style of behavior, interests, attitudes, and physical structure. Let's see some definitions of personality. According to American Psychological Association, personality definitions refers to individual differences in characteristics, patterns of thinking, feeling, and behaving. According to Alpert, 1961, personality is a dynamic organization inside the person of psychophysical systems that create the person's characteristics, patterns of thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. According to Warren, personality is a psychological organization at any level of human development. According to Tweet, personality is a word used for the organization of a person's physical, psychological, ethical, and sociological value he or she used to interact in the society. According to Ogburn, personality is the integration of the socio-psychological behavior of the human being, representation by habits of action and feelings, attitudes, and opinions. It means personality is a combination of physical and psychological aspects. Differentiate is one person to another is also affected by heredity and outer environment. Depends person's adjustment in social and cultural environment. Affects individual inner and outer life. Reveals by observing men's interaction in the society. Is affected by a person's success and failure. Individual personality is the combination of traits and patterns that influence their behavior, thought, motivation, personal expectation, perceptions, value, and attitudes, emotions. It drives individual to consistently think, feel, and behave in specific ways. In essence, it is what makes each individual unique. Personality arises from with the individual and remains fairly consistent throughout life. Factors of personality. Physical factors: height, weight, color, sex, beauty, and body language. Psychological factors: motives, interest, attitudes, character, and intelligence. Heredity factors: natures, beliefs, attitudes, and appearance. Situational factors: emotions, sentiments, behavior. Surrounding factors: cultures, traditions, friends, neighbor, relatives, role models, workplace, and socio-economical Types of personality. First, introvert personality. Second, extrovert personality. And third, ambivert personality. Introvert personality. An introvert is a personality that is a quiet, reserved, and thoughtful individual. They don't seek out special attention or social engagements. Psychologist Carl Jung describes that this type of personality prefer minimally stimulating environments and they need time alone to recharge. Characteristics of introvert personalities: to speak less and to write more, careful, shyness, anxious, easily doubts and aloof, hobby of reading, not interested in sport and outings, somewhat fearful by nature and hesitate in new relations, cool but angry, self-reflective, subjective and emotional. Influencers: potential to be good writer, orator, not interested in changes, cannot be more famous. Extrovert personality. Extroverts are often described as talk-time, sociable, action-oriented, enthusiastic, friendly and outgoing. On the negative side, they are sometimes described as attention-seeking, easily distracted and unable to spend time alone. Extroverts' personalities are also more likely to engage in risk-taking behaviors, including risky health behaviors. Cool but somewhat arrogant and out of control, not anxious, somewhat careless, likes changes and adjustment, affected by surroundings, not homesickness. Extrovert seeks excitement and social activity in an effort to raise their naturally low energy level, whereas introverts tend to avoid social situations in an effort to avoid raising their naturally high energy level to fear. Extrovert persons are talkative while introvert persons like to speak less. Introverts persons are described as being reserved, quiet and to themselves, while extroverts are described as loud and sociable. In social situations, extrovert and introvert personalities display very different behaviors. Extroverts show a preference for seeking, engaging in and enjoying social interaction, whereas introverts tend to be reserved and withdrawn in social settings, often preferring to avoid social situations altogether. Common signs of introverts: being around too many people drains your energy. You have small group to close friends. People think you are quiet and may find it difficult to get to know you. You enjoy solitude. You are very self-aware. Common signs of extroverts: energized by social links, solve problems through discussion. You are often described as friendly and approachable, open and willing to share, love to talk. Characteristics of ambiverts: can switch between being reserved and being social, don't mind working alone or in a group, flexible, balanced and stable, good communication skill, can be a good leader or pacemaker. I am Dr. Asha Patel. Thank you for UGC